Today I am with my new air fryer oven, FEEKAA. And today, beside unboxing, I also want to show you how to first step to operating this machine and cooking something special for my husband. Curious what is inside? Let's unboxing. Alright, ready to unboxing. Another box. In the box. Ah. Isn't that pretty? Oh my god, the color is so gorgeous. So it's perfect, have a timer here and temperature. And the function is for toast, bake, rotisserie, bake, warm, broil, and air fryer. That is very important one. On toast time, here have the direction for toaster. On toast timer, light, medium, dark. This is so perfect. All right. Now let's check what is come with another package here. So this is the air fryer basket. And this is baking tray. This is the grill rack. And this, the Rotisserie skewer and fork. Come up like this. And this is the Rotisserie Tool. So guys, it's very important if you first time operate this air fryer oven, we should really read carefully this user manual safety guard. Distance between the top and the side should be at least 10 centimeter or 3.9 inch. Do not use cord extensions. Set the oven to 450 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius. This is the highest, for 10 to 15 minutes until no odor or smoke is present. So guys, before I grill the kebabs, I will preheat this air fryer oven for 5 minutes at 210 Fahrenheit. Now it's done, 5 minutes, so I will put this inside. Then I will cook for about 15 minutes.
It's okay, then.
Yeah, hopefully. Yes. So I add 7 more minutes after 15 minutes. Hopefully not too much. And you like the big cut?
They're tender, yeah.
Good. We'll try without sauce, without barbecue sauce. Perfect, isn't it?
Very good.
It's perfect.
It's definitely some of the best kebabs I've ever had cooked inside. Looks easy to clean, too.
Just wipe. Just wipe at the bottom.
Good medium.
Showing the camera. How about the seasoning?
What'd you put on?
The same one, the San Elmo.
Oh, good. So you can actually do rotisserie chickens, use it as an oven, use it as an air fryer, and use it as a toaster. Am I correct?
Rotisserie Tool.
Oh, wow.
So this is it from us, guys. So I very recommended that air fryer oven from FEEKAA. We love it so much, right?
Yes, yes.
And give a good result. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.